IM Mastery Academy is rapidly losing its momentum. So here's the story. I was part of IM Mastery Academy back in the day, and I had an amazing experience. The people that I met, the product, everything, loved it. But here's the thing. Currently, and if you're in IM Mastery Academy, you know this, the biggest leaders, the absolute biggest leaders for IM Mastery Academy do their own thing. And that's perfectly okay, but there's an underlying reason to that, and it's the loss of momentum. So when IM Academy first came out, it was revolutionary, right? And especially the compensation plan, it created a lot of 6- and 7-figure earners in the industry in a very short period of time. Even people making 7 figures monthly plus, which before then basically was unheard of or happened very few people. So that's absolutely amazing. But one thing that that made them lose its relevancy is they couldn't really keep up with the times. So a lot of things that people want is automation, right? So there's definitely a market for people who wants to learn. The forex niche is huge, it's massive, and they had a lot of amazing things, live trading sessions, harmonic scanners. There was the university where you can learn all types of things about forex. All amazing stuff, right? But what people also want is automation, and they couldn't really provide that. And on top of that, the price point didn't really make sense, because now if you look at the competitors out there, and if you don't notice, there's a competitor right now that's offering basically the same products and services as IM Academy, right? They have the live trading sessions with amazing trainers with complete, very high accuracy. They have trading signals sent to you on their phone. They have scanners which you can use, and you can analyze the trading view charts, decide if you want to go in or not. They have the university as well. They even have software for cryptocurrency and how the dollar cost average there. And they have foreign EA. So, and this is something that you can use in your own brokerage account, that you just connect to it. And all of that is in the same subscription. So they're offering everything IM Academy does, plus automation inside your own account, where you keep 100% of the profits. And it is for a price point that is lower than IM Mastery Academy. And the compensation plan looks really similar to IM Academy in terms of how much you can earn. But instead of building 3 legs, you only have to build 2. So it's a simple binary, right? There's no cycles, there's no points, right? There's no flushes or resets. It's just an active amount of customers on each side. And this is for products and services that are of similar value to IM Master Academy, but at a significant lower price. And on top of that, they also have automation. And because you can use whichever forex broker that you want, we have hundreds and hundreds of people that have connected to verified my FX book. So we have results going back 3 years back in time, where we can see there's the past performance of this bot, right? And it's absolutely amazing. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, check out this video. Are you sick and tired of the scams, the rug pulls, the Ponzi schemes that are out there, and you want something that is real, that is transparent, that has a proven track record, where you have full control of your funds at all times? Then I would like to welcome you to Economy. Here we have no back office money whatsoever. So check this out. So Economy is launched September 2021. They're debt-free, they're privately owned, they're leading experts in currency and trading innovation. They're currently based in Las Vegas, but they're moving their headquarters over to Dubai. And the founder and CEO of Economy is Hassan Mahmoud. He's a financial expert. He's done multiple 9 figures in global sales. He's spoken and trained in over 62 different countries, has helped tens of thousands of people worldwide to learn the power of passive income. He's a loving father and husband and absolutely loves people. So he has been named or shown at very prominent places such as Yahoo Finance, Influensive, Fox News, etc., etc. And before I decided to go all in with Economy, what I did was that I actually flew over for the Economy launch in London, and I met Hassan himself. I get to shake his hand, and I asked him a lot of questions. One in particular being, what is the bigger vision for the company? And he wants to make this a 20-year company, and I don't see no reason why it wouldn't. They're completely compliant. There's no back office money, and their products work. 92%, 92, now 89% of all people in Economy are customers. They're just using the products and services because they want to, whether there would be a referral plan or not. And next to him, we have my sponsor, Suhail, and I'm very happy to have met him. He's one of the top leaders in Economy. He hit the rank of Icon 50, earning $50,000 per month in little shy of 3 months. And he did this absolute amazing feat at the age of 24. So at the age of 24, he's already a 7-figure earner. Absolute beast. I get to meet both of them, and I realized that Economy for me ticks all the boxes, and it was something I could really plant my flag and build a long-term organization, which is something that I really, really want to do. So what are the products and services that Economy has to offer to make your trading experience much, much, much easier? First off, we have the Economy Calibrate Academy. It's a video training academy. We pre-recorded videos where you can learn the fundamentals of Forex trading. There's also live trading sessions that you can jump on and trade with the educators in real time, and it's available in multiple different languages, currently English, Spanish, and Arabic. Moreover, we have Eminus, and Eminus is a signal provider. So you will receive an alert to your phone, you can review the alert, and then you can take the trade. So basically you can copy, paste, and profit. The really cool part is from Eminus, you get the signals through a Telegram group, and they are going to semi-automate this in the future. So coming soon, you will be able to just click, accept, or decline whether you would like to participate in the trade or not. So it's going to be semi-automated going forward, and I would just like to share some results people have had with Eminus. As you can see here, this is the weekly Forex results, and we get one of these every single week, so we know what's up. And if you see the Eminus trade ideas, you see here 302 pips with a 100% win rate, 6 trade ideas. Eminus Nepal, 160 pips, 50% success rate. And we also have the Eminus Arabic, which has done really, really well, almost 600 pips. So this is nothing is guaranteed, of course, but here you can see every single week what the past performance have been, to give you an idea of what you are getting. So if we go back here, let's talk about Manara. Manara is absolutely amazing. It's a tool that will save you 95% of the time by not having to analyze the markets yourself. So you don't have to look at the charts all day because you have an AI technology that will do all the heavy lifting for you. So let's take a look. So here we have Manara. It is very, very easy to use. There is a quick tutorial that I will show. There will send to you after you get started so you can learn all about the features. So I'm just going to give you a very brief overview. So you have different settings here, and you can decide which asset classes you want to trade, which time frames you prefer, and different patterns. We're going to get back to these patterns in just a second, and also the pattern type. Securities, you can select which pairs you want to trade. We have the majors, the minor, and exotic. There's bonds, indices, commodities, metals that you can choose, and it will just give you here. So let me share with you an example. So if I go here, I have selected the bat and the butterfly patterns, as you see here, bat and butterfly. So if you take a look at here, we can actually see the different success rate with the different patterns. So the bat has an 83% on average success rate, and butterfly has 85% success rate. You might be asking, hey, why would I want to go lower than that? Well, because you get more trades, right? Everyone has their type of their own preferences when it comes to trading, but of course, always do your own analysis as well. So if we take a look at the different trades here, you will see which trading pairs we have, and also the patterns that's used, the time frame, the status, and the risk to reward ratio. So I can just click on any of these. Complete means that it has entered the zone. So it will do all the heavy lifting for you, and you can see here is where you should enter in this here between these lines. Here is your stop loss, and here's the different take profit areas that you can focus on, right? If I press a new one, boom, it has a new analysis. I will see if it's a good risk to reward ratio. I can do some quick, fundamental analysis myself, and then I can just decide whether I want to jump on these trades. So these are super, super, super powerful, and it really saves you a lot of time and a lot of energy so that you can spend that doing other type of things with your time, right? Also, we have Hercules, which is a dollar cost average software for cryptocurrencies. So instead of you buying in at the highest possible point with, say, like $1,000, you put everything in at once, this software would tell you, okay, it's better if you go in with $200 on this price, $150 on this price, $300 on this price, and so on and so forth. And when they back tested this, they realized that someone that just put in a lump sum of money into all at the same time, had they done the dollar cost average system with Hercules during the same period of time, their portfolio would be worth 10 times as much. So it's really important that you go in at different times, just not everything when it's all-time high and then it crashes down. Not a good strategy. And then we also have the flagship product, Athena. Take a look.
Take the power of trading to a whole other level with AI superpower, Athena by Economy. Your money is your money. Nobody has access to it except you. It's totally safe and securely locked in your personal account that sits behind your own brokerage and trading account to build your own legacy. Free of interference from companies, Athena lets you monitor and control your trading 24/7 from an app on your phone. No distractions, no limits. But too many traders today focus on quantity of trades without strategy. With over 2 years of testing, backed by one of the most advanced and exciting platforms on the market, Athena helps you focus on capital preservation while executing precision trades. What's more, Economy won't charge deposit, management, or performance fees. Your profits are your profits. Enjoy them with the people you love, or just yourself. It simply requires an initial load and balance of $1,000 and just 3 minutes of setup time. Is a lifetime of potential earnings and secondary income worth just 3 minutes of your time? We think so. Charge up your freedom and take control of the game with the AI trading superpower software, Athena by Economy.
So Athena is every bit as good as it sounds, and it will trade for you completely hands off in whichever forex broker that you choose, and that is absolutely amazing. You have complete safety and security of your funds, and there's complete transparency. So the strategy that Athena uses is that it's looking for the when the market is overbought or oversold, so looking at support and resistance levels, and when the trends start to switch, boom, then it enters the market. So this is not a martingale strategy. This is real AI with machine learning, and we have professional traders looking at it at every time, every interval where it's being active. So if there needs to be human intervention for some particular black swan event in the market, we have those people in place. Right now, what I want to share with you is that the drawdown on Athena is super, super low. So the lot sizes are very small so that your capital is never at risk. They have capital preservation as their main thing. And now we have almost 3 years of recorded data, recorded results. And what we have seen is that we have an average of 7 to 10% return on a monthly basis. Now, this is by any means of the imagination, no guarantee. Past results are not indicative of future results, but what we do have is that we have hundreds and hundreds of verified MyFX book results of happy customers using Athena. So let's take a look. So this here particular account goes back to 2020. And as we can see here, they have been very good months all through 2021. It's been very consistent, apart from that 1 month where it wasn't properly activated. So as you can see here, is that there have been winning and losing days, but there's been no losing month up until this point. And that's absolutely amazing. So even with turmoil in the marketplace, you know, with the Russia-Ukraine situation, there's been the Luna crash and FTX, it's still holding strong, it's being consistent, and it delivers over and over again. So this is one of the most stable and long-term things that I have found out there, which really gives you full transparency and also gives you access and full autonomy to your funds, which is super important. So now let's take a look at a Athena testimonial.
All right, guys, so this is my Athena account. As you can see here, from Sunday market open until now, this thing has done $84 for the wheat for the whole month that this thing's been running. As you can see here, it's up $549 with a deposit of $54.60. We just broke 6K today, and this thing is absolutely savage. It's currently in another position. Let's go ahead and look at my FX book that I connected to this account from the 29th of August until now. It's up almost 10%. And look at my good brother here as well, who literally started his account on the 23rd, 100K account, up over almost 16%. Absolutely savage. Don't miss that.
So how do you get started with the product and service economy has to offer? So you'll see that many companies offer in the Forex niche, offer education, they offer trading, they offer signals, but very few offer automation, and none else offer all of them together. So this makes economy very unique. And if you look at the competitors in the industry, economy is the one with the most value for money price. So like you see here, it's very affordable. The first month is $149 out of pocket, and then it's $99 every month forward. And this will give you access to the academy. It will give you access to the signals. It will give you access to the Manara software, which I showed you. And you'll also get access to the dollar cost averaging system for cryptocurrencies. And CoinSum is a third party where you get paid out if you decide to do the referral plan, and they also offer a card. Really great stuff. So all of this is included for $99 per month. And this is a basic subscription per month. So if at any given time you're feeling like, hey, I'm not getting enough value from this, you can just cancel, and that is it. You're not bound up for any period of time. But one thing I want to let you know is that economy has a 92% retention rate, meaning that if when 10 people start, 9 of them continues. Why? Because they get more value from the products and services than the price they are paying monthly. So that's something to keep in mind. But these things are absolutely savage. The people having great results. I'm looking forward to adding you to our results group, showing you all the testimonials, also getting you in the groups, showing you the tutorials for how to get started so that you can become a profitable trader consistently in the financial markets without spending too much time doing so. Also, if you would like all of the above mentioned, but also access to the complete automation software Athena, that is then it would be the Elite Pro Pack that would suit you best. Is $235 upfront and then $149 per month afterwards. And same thing here, it's a per month basis. So if this does not over deliver, you can just cancel your subscription and that is it. But there is a reason why we have so many happy customers, so many people that are staying with us. Also, there is an incentive. It's a promotion we have going on that if you share this opportunity with 3 friends, right, and they decide to, hey, this is amazing, and as long as they are using the product, all 3 of your friends, you don't have to. So you don't have to pay your monthly subscription fee if you refer 3 of your friends who you also want to help, who also want to win consistently in the markets. There is a way for you to make a business out of this as well as an affiliate. For that, you need to purchase the affiliate marketing kit so that you get access to more features that you have in the back office. The first month is $29, and every month after that, it's $15. And that will allow you to get paid from the compensation plan. Let's quickly take a look at it because this is super powerful. So check this out. First, if you refer 3 people personally, you hit the first rank of becoming an apprentice, where you will earn a total of $100 per month, which is paid out every Friday as $25. When you have accumulated 20 people in total in your organization with help from above and help from below, then you will earn $500 per month, $125 per Friday. And when you have accumulated 40 people in your team in total, you will hit the rank of Influencer 900, where you will earn $900 per month or $225 per week. So let's take a look at the full compensation plan. What you will see here, that this compensation plan is really good. Why? Because there's no points, there's no volume flushing, there's no cycles, there's none of that. Here we have a binary, 2 sides, and you have an equal amount of customers on each side. And that's all there is to it, right? Nothing more, nothing less. So this is super powerful, because this is basically like your customers are having an auditorship, right? They're paying for the services because it's giving them more value. They're winning in the financial markets and they want to keep having their subscription, right? And as long as they have their subscription, you will get paid for the same rank. And why is that a good thing? Say that you're building a team, but it's not growing to the next month, but nobody has quit either, then you will get the same paycheck as the previous month. So you will have a stable recurring income per rank. There will not be any of the cycle flushes like I mentioned. There will not be any resets, none of that. As long as you have an active number on point on each side, you will get paid every single Friday, which is really good. It will give you very consistent and dependable income to come in. So it's not based on people's deposits, because there's literally no back office money here. It's not based on a trading performance, because that happens in the privacy of your own Forex broker account away from the company. Company cannot touch it in any way, shape, or form. So that is really, really good. So if you look at this, you only need 3 personally enrolled all the way to $3,000 per month. And if you're working with a team, right, and you'll get spillover from the person above you as well. So if you're placed on the right side and they place more people on the right side, they will fall into you, and that will count towards your organization, right? And also, when the people that you have placed underneath you starts to introduce this to their friends, family, business associates, or starts doing marketing online, that will also count towards your organization. So you have a lot of leverage here. And basically, when, like, in our team, for instance, like we are absolute rock stars when it comes to this. We do this full time. We do this diligently. We're going for this compensation plan. Okay, so there will be a lot of spillover on the one side. So basically, the majority of the work you have to do is just on the one side. What we always say to keep a healthy binary is put, 70% of your efforts on your inside leg and then 30% on your outside leg, and you will have a healthy binary and a good culture overall. So check this out. So with that being said, you could potentially, right, earn $3,000 per month with personally referring 3 people and building a team of, after you open the binary, and with 75 people, right? Or 76, because you need to open the binary, 1 person on each side, and then like 75 people, and you could potentially then earn 3,000 if you had spillover on the other side. I mean, this is like, wow. When I understood this, and you have a product that people actually want, that they use. We have 89% of people in the company are just customers. Only 11% are affiliates. Right? So people are actively using the products just for the sake of using their products. They don't care about the compensation plan. They don't care about anything. They just love the products. They want to continue using it. And that is a really, really healthy ratio, right? Really, really healthy ratio. And then when you go down here, Prodigy, 5,000, you have 200 people on each side. You earn $5,000 per month. Icon 9, it's 375 people on each side. 9,000 per month. You'll also get a once-off lifestyle bonus of $6,000 when you hit this rank. Icon 15 is 500 each side, 15,000 per month. You'll also earn an additional $15,000 the first month in lifestyle bonus once off. Icon 25, you have 1,000 people on each side, earn $25,000 per month. You'll also earn $25,000 the first month extra for hitting the rank. Icon 50, you have 2,000 people on each side, and you will earn $50,000 per month, and you will have an extra $50,000 lifestyle bonus when you first hit the rank. Mogul 75, you will earn $75,000 per month with 3,000 on each side. You'll earn $75,000 extra the first month. Mogul 100 is 4,500 on each side, and you earn $100,000 per month with an additional 100,000 the first month of achieving the rank. And this compensation plan actually goes all the way up to 1 million. So this is absolutely amazing. Don't miss out on this. This is a really easy and fair compensation plan where 80% of the gross profits of the company is put into the compensation plan. So it's really, really lucrative. And if you work together, especially with people such as myself and my team are really go-getters, you will get a lot of spillover, and it will just make your life easier overall. And it will be easier, I would say, to go through all of these ranks. So if you're interested in that, let's do it together. We're in it to win it, and we want to help you do the same. Thank you very much. My name is Marcus, and what you should do right now is to click the link down in the description below. Get started with the products. I will reach out to you. I will tell you exactly what you need to do. I will share with you all the materials that you will need. I will add you to all the groups, and then we'll get set up a game plan for you and your team. So I'm super, super happy and excited to be working with you. So let's do it together. Have a good one. Bye-bye.